Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making Agua Fresca. This drink is so delicious and refreshing, and it's perfect if you just want to be healthy or if you want a cocktail. So today we're making both options. So let's get started. Now the best part of this recipe is that it's so easy to make. You can just throw everything into your blender. So today the first thing I'm going to be putting in is my cucumbers, and today I have 3 Persian cucumbers. You don't have to peel them, they're totally good. Just chop them up and add them in, along with some limes. Today I have 2 limes. You also have the skin on these limes. The thing I love about this recipe, you don't have to peel anything, you don't have to take the skins off. So easy. Super passionate about it. So put your limes in your blender, along with your herb of choice. You can either use basil or mint. Today I'm using about 20 leaves of mint. Now the next ingredient you have some options with. Today I have fresh lemongrass, which I've chopped up because it does not like to blend. But if you can't find lemongrass, you can just use ginger, or you can use lemongrass paste. So I'm going to add this in, along with my sweeteners now. If you like a sweeter drink, you can add in 1/2 cup of sugar, but I'm gonna start off with a 1/3 cup and then taste it and see if it needs any more. And I also have some honey with me today, so I have a 1/4 cup of honey. I'm a big fan of honey, I love it. Gotta get every single drop of honey in my opinion. Okay. Now the last ingredient we'll be adding in is just some water, so I have just some filtered water with me today, and I have 2 cups. So now you're just going to want to blend this completely together, and don't worry if there's a few chunks because you will be straining this mixture. Now you're going to want to just strain this until there's no liquid left in the pulp, and I'm just using a spoon to keep stirring it around, pressing out any liquid, because this stuff is liquid gold. I want every drop. I transferred it to another bowl in the hopes of not spilling it, yet I still seem to spill it everywhere. So there should be a little bit more mixture than I currently have because there's a lot of it on the ground below me right now. I'm a little bit upset about it, but it's okay. We're moving on, and we're going to be adding more water to this anyway. So now I'm going to transfer this to my pitcher, pouring very slowly. Now we're also going to be adding in some more water, so I'm going to add in 2 cups more of distilled water. Now here I have my glasses, so I'm going to be making 2 versions of this drink today. I'm going on a hike after this, so I'm going to have a non-boozy version, and I do recommend adding in a few more sliced cucumbers. So I just have a few Persian cucumbers that'll be going in the glass. And these are really yummy to eat after they've been soaking for a bit. I love doing that. Okay, and now I can pour this mixture in. There. And now on to our cocktail. So I'm going to add in a few more Persian cucumbers. Beautiful. And now you can't have a drink without the alcohol, right? So today I'm using some white rum as well as some triple sec. So this is really on how much you like to drink. I'm not going to make it too strong today. So I'm just going to put in 1 shot of white rum. Along with 1/2 shot of triple sec. There we go. And now we can add in our Agua Fresca. Now it's time to taste it. I'll start off with the party. So delicious, so refreshing. You have that little kick of the booze, which is always nice as well. And now a sip of the healthy. That's so delicious. It's really nice and sweet from that honey and all those fresh green vegetables. I absolutely love it. And I just want to say a really special thank you to Pinch of Yum, who I got this recipe from. It is so delicious. I absolutely love her recipe, so you should definitely check her out. Also, if you guys like smoothies or cocktails, there should be a playlist right over here or over here of all of my drinks. So make sure to check those out. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!